Welcome to the daily L2Coin Crypto News channel. Today I am going to introduce Play to Earn game. Play to Earn game. That website name is Cropbytes. This Play to Earn game. This website. This is the they have in their website in introduction some so many things. We will play to grow crypto palm. You can grow here palm, and you can now grow your palm by mining new assets. Do you have what uh, that is they are trusted by 600k happy crypto farmers worldwide. 600k farmers in the worldwide, they are in the website. And this is the future in backed by, and this is their co-founders. What's the new, and round up for the latest news and release, the assist mining roadmap, army crypto game with strong economic head for a token launch, and earn in game reward on every referral, the game's experience, the farming business, learn how to use assets to grow your farm in a successful business, mine cbx, build your own farm, contribute to the ecosystem and get cbx token. Our highlighter, this is their farming website. Is stimulated generated crypto, that water solution stations, and this is their like a future world, and so many things is available here. talk of, talk of the town. It's a fun game that earned me to lot of money and gonna earn me to lot of more in the future. It has changed my life. That is some Jimmy D Clean farming since 2080s. The dream team. Meet you our awesome team members, and this is their website. This is Play to Earn game coin BAME website. This website is Cropbyte. You can register in the Cropbyte website. I will put link in the description, and you can go through that link. You can register this website, and you can mining that crypto coins. So many games is available. You can play and earn this game. That is free to play. Game will come in soon. Play to grow and crypto farm. And this is the metaverse. Grow your farming business in the metaverse. This is they are introducing dock. This is their water station, and future homes. This power station, and animal cvx station, field, trade, market, and Cropbytes. This is the new board. That is the website. All the things. Please visit this website and get more details about this the Cropbyte website. And if you want to play, you can play this website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got something of this video, please subscribe my channel, put like button also. Thank you so much.